When you try to check the account's creation date, you will see that this option is no longer available. Next, we will install the Chrome extension in the browser to reveal the creation date. Now, as you can see, the creation date has reappeared. What we will do next is create a new account on Ticketmaster to demonstrate that this solution effectively reveals the creation date, even for accounts just established. As you can see, it indicates that the account was just created. Next, let's remove the Chrome extension and observe how the page appears. As you can observe, the information is hidden now. BuyFromFox is always behind you, committed to ensuring your satisfaction with our services.